Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we've got an exciting tutorial for you because we're gonna show you how to download and watch replays from CS2. But before we jump into the action, if you're new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures. It'll keep you on the look for future content. And to our returning viewers, welcome back. We appreciate you all for your ongoing support and could not wait to embark on this journey with all of you on board. Okay, so downloading and watching replays in Counter-Strike 2 or any Counter-Strike game. So watching your own replays allow you to analyze your performance in past matches. You can identify mistakes, analyze strategies, and learn from both your successes and failures. So this self-analysis can help you become a better player and make more informed decisions in future matches. Many professional CS2 players and teams share their gameplay replays online. So watching these replays can provide valuable insights into advanced strategies, positioning, and teamwork. It's an excellent way to learn from the best and apply their tactics to your gameplay. If you are a part of a team or play in competitive leagues, downloading and watching replays of your opponents can be crucial. It allows you to understand their playstyle, strategies and weaknesses, giving your team a competitive edge when facing them in matches. Watching CS2 replays can be entertaining. Whether you're a player or a fan, it's a great way to relive exciting moments, epic clutches, and memorable plays. Additionally, analysts and casters often use replays to provide in-depth analysis and commentary during esports broadcasts, right? You can also create highlights or share impressive plays to your CS2 community or friends. Sharing your replays or memorable moments in platforms like YouTube or social media can be a way to showcase your skills and connect with other players. Okay, how do we do it? Do you see the television icon here? All you gotta do is click on that and you will be able to see if you have contents loaded here. You will be able to see your replays and past matches here. Click on that specific video and just hit download at the bottom. After downloading, you can simply click watch, right? So, for players looking to expand their map pool or learn new strategies, watching replays of high-level players or tutorials can be incredibly beneficial, right? So, downloading and watching CS2 replays can be a valuable tool for both personal improvement and enjoyment within the Counter-Strike community. Whether you're a competitive player looking to climb the ranks or a casual player looking to relive your favorite moments, replays offer a versatile and informative resources. Okay, so in some cases, players may want to record and share replay as evidence of cheating or unfair play in order to report suspicious behavior to game administrators or support teams. There are reasons really. But if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. And if you have any topics that you would like us to discuss in the future, just let us know in the feedback. And I'll see you in the next video.